Hello there everyone. I just wanted to show you that the shop is more than just a web shop. We really have a cool looking showroom that has a lot of different stuff. For instance, this is our whiting wall. What we have on here is not the complete selection of whiting capes, but it's a section of them. And during the next couple of months, we're gonna expand very much on the fly tying part of business. And I'll just show you that. So just 1 second here. So as you can see, that was the whiting wall. Here we have the fly lines. Some clothing, and then on the way back there we have all the rods and the sims and stuff like that. But I want to show you something else. This was what I wanted to show you. This is 62 square meters of nothing but fly tying. We don't have all the shells and stuff yet, and regretfully not all the materials are available online yet. I'm working day and night to make sure of that, but I just wanted to show you this because this is how serious we take fly tying. Also, this is a great opportunity if you ever find yourself near Aarhus, if you're, for instance, driving through Denmark to get to Norway or something like that. Reach out, contact me or John via email or phone, and we'll set up an appointment, and you can come see the showroom, because this showroom is by appointment only. So you can come, and you can of course shop. You can buy all the stuff that we have online in the shop as well. But it's a showroom, so it's by appointment. Otherwise, you'll have to order online. But I promise you, and I guarantee you, the shop is gonna be bursting with new stuff in the next few months. We're moving forward, and I'm very excited. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19 cardboard boxes filled with all the new stuff we're gonna add to the web shop. So it's gonna be quite exciting and quite a lot of work.